Experiencing issues with your Tesco Mobile SIM card. The primary reasons why your SIM might not be working include activation problems, personal unblocking key locks, or physical issues with the SIM tray or contacts. If you're a new user, ensure your SIM is correctly activated through the Tesco mobile app or website. These align with recent digital activation enhancements from late 2024 that reduce wait times. Double-check that the SIM is inserted properly, notch-aligned, in an unlocked device compatible with the Tesco mobile network, which may require a PAC code transfer. For existing users, start by restarting your phone and resetting network settings via Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. These steps often resolve temporary connectivity glitches. If these quick fixes don't work, proceed to the next section for more specific troubleshooting, including PUK codes and hardware checks. If your SIM is pin-locked due to 3 incorrect attempts, you'll need the PUK code. Tesco Mobile offers PUK retrieval via their app, SMS, or by contacting customer service at 020-3456-1234. Remember, entering the wrong PUK 10 times permanently blocks your SIM, requiring a replacement. The app now uses biometric verification for quick PUK retrieval. If the issue persists, examine your SIM tray and contacts, especially on iPhone models. Use a SIM eject tool to remove the tray and clean the gold contacts on both the SIM and inside the phone with a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and debris that may be obstructing the connection. Bent pins can also cause problems. For phones without trays, inspect the gold contacts for corrosion. If you suspect hardware damage, avoid DIY repairs to prevent voiding your warranty and contact Tesco Mobile Support directly. They may offer a free SIM replacement or guide you through cleaning procedures. If all else fails, and especially if you're in an area with known network outages, consider temporary activation of an eSIM if your phone supports it.